Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to earn coins reward on Hala app. Right. In order to that, it's quite easy to do, but you know in order to earn anything you have to work for that. Right. So it's not going to just come for free or as free gifts for you. You actually have to bend your back and work. Don't mind me, you don't need to bend your back. You just have to do some few things in order to earn coins. So all you need to do, look below your screen and you can see me. Click on me. Once you click on me, you can now click on tax. Click on tax and you can see a lot of tax you need to do in order to earn coins. So you can pick anyone and just do. So once you can stay for 2 hours, you're going to earn 1 coin. So click on go. So it's going to take you to this agency, this room where you can actually earn from, right? So if you stay here for 2 hours, you're going to earn 1 coin. This is how it works. So this is how you earn. Apart from this, you can actually play games. Look below your screen, you can see this pad, this game kind of icon right there. Click on it and there's a lot of game you can play. But in order to play these games, let's try one out. You have to have a lot of coins. So you have to recharge. Right, you have to recharge in order to play this. So let's wait for this to load up so that you can see it. You can see, so you have to place a bet. That's in order in just like it's just like gamble. You have to drop some amounts to get some certain amounts as well. So you click on start. Once you click on start, you can see I don't have any coins. So let's go back. You have to go back and try to recharge in order to play a game or this app in order to earn more coins. So how do you recharge? You can see recharge right here. So you just have to recharge. Once you recharge, you get more coins. You can now place a bet and earn more coins as well in return. It's just like gamble. So this is how it actually works. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.